What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Spider-Man. For today's lesson we'll need some plain white paper and a pencil. I'll start this drawing off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. Now with this pose we're going to be drawing the character from the back with the head turned over towards the right. So let's start by adding a guideline coming down the center. We'll start at the very top of the middle. It's going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom of our page. Let's move up to the top of the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we want to block out the basic shape and position of the head before we get into the details, so we can use these two lines to help us create a circle along the top for the back of the head. So from here, we move up, let's mark off the top of the circle right about here, and then we're going to measure this distance from the center down towards the bottom, mark that off, and then we'll repeat that across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over towards the left, and then the right. Now I'm going to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create a circle. We'll start with the top left. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. We can always go back and just smooth this out. Now the bottom of our circle represents the base of the skull. So we want to move down and draw a straight line going across the shoulders from left to right. Now because the head's turned over towards the right, the center of the head is going to be over on the left side of our circle, but we want to bend this down and then in towards that center line, and then bend that down along the spine. Now right here, it's going to bend this back out towards the left, and then down. Let's go over towards the right side of our circle and draw the front edge of the face. So right here, we're just going to tilt the head down. From here, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the chin. And then from here, it's going to curve this out, in towards the middle of our circle, and then up towards the center. And this will be the jawline. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of a sharp point along the jaw, right where the edge of the circle is. Now from the edge of the jaw, we're going to draw the neck. We're going to come down and across towards the right, towards the shoulder line. Let's go back over towards the left, curve the neck coming down, and we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's continue sloping the shoulders, going out and down, and just bend that down towards the bottom of our page. From the shoulders, we're going to add a seam going up and then down towards the spine. So we'll start with the left. We're going to go up, bend that down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's go to the front profile of the face. We're going to draw a straight angle line going up across the middle and then out. Let's go back to the front. We're going to draw the top edge of the eye, go up along the inside of the circle, now towards the top. Now up here, it's going to bend that up towards a point. From the top, round this out, come down towards the bottom, round out the bottom of the eye, and just pull that in. Let's trace the eye along the inside, and lightly follow that curve, going all the way around. Just pull that out a little bit further on the right side. Now that we have the basic shape and position of the head, we're going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now that we have a clean drawing, we can get a better look at our proportions. I want to go back and just bump out the back of the skull. Starting from the top of our circle, we can go around, down the side, and then pull that in towards the base of the head. We're also going to add the profile edge of the nose. Starting from the eye, bend this out, and then back in. We're just going to round out the chin, and then bend that back up towards the neck. Let's remove those old guidelines underneath. Now let's go back and just refine our lines. I'm going to start with the eye. And go around the front. Now we're going to go in and lightly add the webbing inside the head and body. So we start from the base of the skull, come in and then down towards that point, and we work our way up from the top, coming down. So we'll start with the eye, all the way around. I'm just going to pinch it in towards the neck and then go out along the shoulders. I'm just going to mirror this over on the right side and left. Back to the eye. Now let's add those webs going across. Starting along the top of the head. Work our way down the back of the head and then the shoulders. Now along the end of each point, we just want to extend this out towards the outside webs. Now I'm going to switch to my 0.9mm pencil and start darkening up the contrast. I'm going to start on the edge of the eye. I'm starting to darken up this area just to give it a little bit of a bevel, coming down towards the bottom. And I'm just going to work our way around the contour of the head. And now we're going to go in and start tracing all those webs along the outside. Just leaving a thin gap in between. And we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Let's do one final cleanup before we add in our shading. Now we're going to darken up the trim around the eyes at the very top, and we want to add a little bit of a highlight in the center. So we're going to bring this down to right about here and just gradually fade that out. And then do the same thing across the top edge, just lining that up. Let's move down and start to darken that up. Work our way down towards the bottom of the eye. Now in the center of the eye, we're going to add a slight curve or glare. Just darken up the bottom, and then fade that up towards that line. Also going to darken up the top and fade that down. Now I want to shade in the inside of the body going around the webs, but we leave a little bit of a highlight edge on the left side. I'm just going to pull this in and just trace the head going all the way around. Just adding a guide. And as you get up to the top, we're just going to blend this out. Now on the right side of that line, we're just going to shade this in, going across the entire body and going in behind the webs. I'm going to go back and just darken up the left side and just gradually fade that in. Now let's darken up the chin and then fade that up. So we're pushing the chin area into shadow. And I want to push a little indent in the center of the spine. So for that center web, I'm just going to darken this up and then fade that out towards the side. Now, as we get near the end, we're just going to finish up our shading, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.